Hey everybody, it's Davida with WTI, and I want to tell you about a really helpful tool that we have in our house, especially when the power goes out or if there are electrical storms. This is the CyberPower UPS. This really helps to protect our electronics from power spikes.
It regulates the voltage so our electronics get clean, consistent power. And it also prevents power surges that travel through telephone lines from causing damage to electronics, which is really amazing. It supplies power long enough for any electronics to properly shut down when the power fails. 6 of the outlets, as you can see here on the right, are used for surge protection, and the other 6 on the left are used for surge protection and battery backup, so you can choose where to plug each of the electronics that you use. It also has an LDC panel that shows detailed information on the UPS battery and power conditions. We have our modem and router plugged into the UPS so that we can make sure if our electricity goes out that we can still have internet connection.
My husband and I are really happy to have this tool in our home that we found to be quite helpful, and that's our point of view.